We will guide you through how to change font in Adobe Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your project in Adobe Photoshop, select the horizontal type tool from the toolbar, or press the T key to activate it quickly. Click on the canvas to create a new text layer, or select an existing text layer in the Layers panel if you want to modify text that is already part of the design. In the Options bar near the top of the workspace, click the Font Family drop-down menu to open the list of installed and available fonts. Browse through the font choices, scrolling slowly, or typing part of a font name into the search field if you already know what you want. Hover the pointer over a font in the list to preview its appearance directly on the highlighted text without applying it permanently. When you find a suitable typeface, click the font name to apply it to the selected text. Open the Font Style menu and choose an available style, such as regular, bold, or italic, depending on the look and emphasis your design requires. Adjust the font size if needed, either by selecting a preset value or entering a specific size that fits the layout. For more detailed controls, you can optionally open the Window menu and choose Character. Use the Character panel to refine additional text settings such as leading, kerning, tracking, vertical or horizontal scale, baseline shift, and text color. If you discover a font you expect to use often, optionally click the star icon beside its name to add it to your favorite fonts for quicker access later. After reviewing the updated text, click the checkmark button in the Options bar, or press the Control and Enter keys together to confirm the Edit and Exit text editing mode. Finally, save your document using the appropriate Photoshop format, so the text layer and your latest changes are preserved for future editing.